Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Halo Infinite campaign. We'll begin by getting you familiar with the fundamental controls, ensuring you can navigate Zeta Halo and engage enemies effectively. Then, we'll explore the open-world design, highlighting how to tackle main missions and side activities. Finally, I'll guide you through selecting the perfect difficulty, whether you prefer a casual experience or a challenging fight against the Banished. Once you're in the game, mastering combat is key. The grapple shot is your best friend, allowing for rapid movement across the environment and even pulling yourself towards enemies for a quick melee. Experiment with the diverse arsenal of weapons, from the precise battle rifle to the devastating rocket launcher, finding what suits each encounter. Remember to upgrade your equipment, like the drop wall or thruster, to gain significant advantages in battle. Zeta Halo is a vast open world filled with objectives. Capturing forward operating bases, or FOB, is crucial. They serve as fast travel points and resupply stations. As you explore, you'll encounter stranded Unsk Marines. Rescuing them adds valuable allies to your cause. Don't forget to dismantle banished outposts and propaganda towers, which not only weaken the enemy, but also provide valor, a currency for unlocking new weapons and vehicles at FOBs. To truly excel, consider these advanced strategies. Focus on upgrading your shields and key equipment like the grapple shot as soon as possible, as these provide significant defensive and offensive boosts. Always look for environmental hazards, such as explosive coils, to turn the tide of battle. Finally, take your time to explore every corner of Zeta Halo. You'll discover hidden collectibles, audio logs, and fascinating lore that enrich the entire campaign experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.